Are you using all of the features available to you through LinkedIn messaging? Let me show you what I'm talking about this morning. So first of all, remember, if on desktop, you have the ability to open up the messaging tab on the left-hand side, excuse me, the right-hand side here. And so there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm not going to click on everything and show you, but I do want you to know about a few key things. First of all, if you're managing company pages under more inboxes, you have the inboxes for the company pages that you are managing. Show all will actually bring up one more company that I'm monitoring. Additionally, under the little tab on the right, you have the ability to have focused messaging and other. Now, I'm a little disappointed with other because LinkedIn is not putting any new. As of October 18th is the last time LinkedIn put any new messaging under other. Now, there is a way where I can take a message from someone else this is not an important message to me, and I can move it to other and then get it out of my focused inbox. So all these messages that I have pending, I could take each individual one of them and move it to other. And again, take it out of my focused inbox. Now, I have not spent a lot of time doing that, but I am going to experiment with it more to see if it can keep my inbox a little cleaner. I wish there was a way. Let me see if there is. If I can take other messages, let me select a bunch of them and see if I can select them and then collectively, nope. Collectively, all I can do is archive them, mark them as unread, or delete them. Collectively, I cannot move them into other. I wish that LinkedIn would add that feature if they want us to use and get value from the other inbox versus the focused inbox. That's definitely worth paying attention to. Now, if I close that down and go to regular messaging, pretty much the same features that you have on the bar on the right side here on desktop, I have in the messaging window. We have pretty much the same filtering here on the messaging window that we have on the messaging bar. One little trick that I've looked at that I haven't used a lot but may be worthwhile for you if you have a lot of messages that you haven't read is I can go to just my connections and get messages just from my connections, which is primarily what most of my messaging is. I can go to look for unread. I can go look for just in mails, or I can look for just starred. When I don't, and by the way, if I want to get rid of the filtering, just click on it again and it goes back to all. This would be really cool. How about unread in mails? Or how about starred my connections? How about give me the ability to group these filters so I can drive in a little tighter? Might be worthwhile. And again, I have focused, other, archived, and spam. There's a lot of features in messaging just by just looking at the messages that could be of benefit to you. And just like with the message bar, I still can't take a group of messages and move them to other. I can only move one message at a time with the three dots on top of the message, move to other. And by the way, if you don't know how to do this, might be worth understanding that I can take an individual message that is sent to me. Find one here of an individual message sent to me. I can report that message, hit the three dots up top here, and I can report block. And when I report block, I can mark it as spam or a scam. That's how you do it. I was looking for the three dots and go directly to it, but it's under report and block. Not a lot I want to share with you, but if you're not completely aware of all the different features that are within messaging, you may be missing out on opportunities. Again, I think there's value in moving messages that are not important to you over into other so that your focused inbox is exactly that, focused.